Did you know that early Labor Day deals have already begun, and I'm gonna be going over 20 of the best Amazon deals that are happening right now, and some of these are better than Prime Day. We have a whole range of items in today's video, all the way from Nicole home finds, kitchen gadgets, fall decor, all the way to clothing. Everything will be listed down below in the description box as well as pinned as the top comment. And in case you missed yesterday's video, most of those deals are still happening. We're kicking it off with the electric salt and pepper shaker. I love how aesthetic this looks on your kitchen counter. Easy access. You're gonna get a set of 2 on deal for under $14. Now, if you click the link down below in the description box, the discount should automatically come off when you add it to cart. But if it doesn't, I will have all of the deal codes listed in the description box as well as the end date for the particular sale as well. So for under $14, originally around $28, you're gonna be getting the salt and pepper shaker that can actually break down really coarse salt or pepper. So if you like to do the cracked pepper, that's a great option. And I love it because when you're cooking, you're often using both hands. This is just a one hand, automatically will grind it for you and you're good to go. This next item has really been taking the internet by storm. If you own a Stanley, you can snag this little snack tray for under $5 today. Comes in a variation of color options. So if you're going to the movies, you're hanging out at home, you're working, you can put some snacks on the little tray, which will stick on your Stanley. And I love the fact that it just keeps everything very compact and together. And I think it's just super, super cool. There's a reason why this has been taking the internet by storm. Drop a comment down below. Are you someone who loves the Stanley or do you use something else? I personally use the Stanley and love it, but I want to know. In our kitchen, we do not go without glass storage containers. These are great for leftovers, great for snacking. You can heat them up in these glass dishes without having like the chemicals and the plastic in there. Currently 34% off for a 10 piece, which brings it under $27. We have switched all of our like plastic, other Tupperware we had completely to glass. Labor Day really is the end of summer kind of kickoff to fall, which means fall decorations. You can get 40% off of these gorgeous faux fall flowers. Now, I'm kind of picky when it comes to faux flowers. I don't like them to have that kind of like shiny, tacky look. And I really, really like this set. Now, depending on the color set you go with is going to depend on the pricing. All of these deals are subject to change just based on Amazon. They'll fluctuate depending on the popularity, etc. But depending on what color, it should range from about $11.99 to just over $16. Who is ready for fall? Drop a comment. Now, if you're in need of a new trash can, I think this one would be great for your office or a bathroom, and it comes with a lid. It's kind of like a new non-negotiable for me in a bathroom. I love the way it just makes everything look clean and sleek. Originally $60, now down to $30. This is automatic and touchless, so you just with a swipe of a hand, it will open the lid and then it will automatically close. Simple ways to just completely elevate your home. Now, I don't know about you, but we are always losing chargers or one will break and we'll want to replace it. If you're in need of a new charger or you need to stock up, now's a really great time. You can grab 70% off of a lightning charger, which brings it down to just below $5. With each changing season, I usually get an itch to organize and just clean little spaces up. You can right now grab this 6-pack drawer organizer, 50% off, plus there's an extra 20% off code to clip on the product page, which is going to bring it down to $10. You can use these anywhere in your home, whether that's your kitchen, your office, a bedroom, your vanity, bathroom, so many uses. They're clear and easy to clean. And the cooler months right around the corner, a good fleece blanket is a staple in our home. We love this one, so soft. Comes in an array of different color options, whether you want to put this on your bed or have it match your living room or have it in the car when you're doing things out in the evening. This is the 50 by 60 inch, comes in an array of different color options as well as sizing. So if you want to put this on your bed, they have different size options. So it's going to bring it under $12. And just to let you know, most of these deals are the 27th of August only. So if you see something you love, make sure to add it to cart and check out. Now, if you have some travel coming up, the very popular weekend travel bag is going to be under $43. This is a top seller on Amazon. Comes in a whole array of different color options. I love that it has this separate shoe compartment. That is a game changer for me. So whether you're doing an overnight stay, a weekend trip, you want to have an extra carry-on bag to bring with you in addition to your luggage when you're traveling, this is a favorite. And it does come with a separate little compartment that you can use for beauty products, makeup, skincare, whatever. And speaking of travel, if you have not jumped on these compression travel bags, they are literally genius. You can snag them 50% off right now, having them range from anywhere from just under $13 to just under $19, depending on the color and the sizing. But we all know the struggle of getting to our destination and our entire suitcase is just all jumbled up. These compression bags are genius because they not only keep everything organized, but they also compress. You can fit more in there, which is amazing, especially if you have little kiddos and lots of items that you're traveling with. Or if you're trying to fit a large amount of items into like a carry-on suitcase, these are a game changer. If you're headed anywhere fun, drop a comment down below letting me know where you're heading. I have a decent amount of travel coming up in September, so all of these travel deals are right up my alley. One of my favorite pants on Amazon, the best-selling palazzo pants, are under $25. These are just a closet staple, great workwear item. I love the fact that they're a wide pant on-trend style, but they also have that really comfortable stretchy waistband with an adjustable belt, and they come in a wide range of color options, and I wear my true to size small. Oversized cozy shirts are my favorite for the fall. You can snag this oversized Henley long sleeve, 40% off, which brings it under $15. Great deal. It has functional buttons for the quarter top, but that's that really cozy oversized fit that you can style with leggings. You can front tuck it into some jeans. You can layer a vest over it when it really starts to get chilly. Comes in a wide range of color options, and I wear true to size small. You're gonna wanna run and grab this one under $30. We are seeing the viral Levi wedgie jeans on deal today only. They do come in a few color washes for Levi's. You guys know I am a fan favorite around here, but I will always size up one size. I always feel like they run a little bit on the smaller side, but I think it's because the denim is such good quality. It doesn't have a ton of stretch. It doesn't like wear out over time. It just holds well, it washes well. I am obsessed with these jeans. They're a reason why these are a top seller on Amazon. So snag them now on deal for under $30 today only. One of my favorite pajama sets of all time. You can get this ribbed pajama set today only under $17. Now I've shared this in the pink as well as the black option, which I wear on repeat. They wash well over time. The fabric stays the same. I wear my true to size small. They do have a really comfortable elastic waistband. When I am sleeping, I don't like a lot of extra fabric. I don't like fabrics that cling, and these just check all of the boxes. And even during the winter, I will prefer to wear a short sleeve pajama option just because, like I said, I don't like to sleep with a lot of fabric. So this is just a non-negotiable pajama for me. And to go along with your favorite pajamas, you can snag these house slippers for $16. Deal today only. They have that really comfortable fuzzy fabric. They are a thong style, which I like more than just the strap, like the one over strap. I feel like these stay on my feet better. They run true to size and come in a wide range of color options. And this is a top seller on Amazon with almost 6,000 star reviews. Now this zip cargo vest was a bestseller last fall and winter season, so I anticipate it to be the same. It's a really great expensive look for less. Has more of that on-trend oversized fit, more of a crop style, which will go great with the on-trend wide pants style that's still trending going into the fall season. Today only, it's gonna bring it under $29, and it does come in a few color options. And speaking of expensive looks for less, this Free People inspired tote bag. This is a versatile bag that works great with all ages, whether you're a teenager or your mom, etc. 27% off today, bringing it under $30. Does come in a wide range of color options, and I love the fact that it has a full zip over the top. That way things don't spill out. Since this is a very relaxed puffer style bag with one shoulder strap, which is great, so you don't have to worry about it falling off of your shoulder. The fact that it has the complete zip across the top is a game changer and comes in a ton of colors. This has been a go-to bag for me to wear with casual looks, denim jeans, and also so cute with a good oversized sweater. And talking about all the cozy vibes, this quarter zip pullover is a favorite of mine to just wear when I'm around the house. If I'm going out to run errands, the fabric is really nice. It does feature pockets in the front, wide range of color options. I wear my true to size, and this particular sweatshirt does have the thumb holes as well. If you're looking to add a yoga ball, or if you're expecting and you want to have a bouncing ball, you can right now with this code snag it for under $18. It does come in a few color options. This is anti-burst. Great as a stability ball if you are working out. There's so many different uses for this, and it has amazing reviews, almost 800 star reviews on Amazon. And if you have patio furniture that you don't have patio covers for, you can now snag this patio cover, which does come in various different size options that you can look through to fit your specific patio or outdoor chair needs. This is going to drop to just below $27, but again, that price will fluctuate depending on the size. This is all weather protection, so I know the cooler months are coming up, and if you live in a cool state like Pennsylvania, we get a decent amount of snow, so these are a must-have. And just a great time to get like necessities like this you really don't want to spend money on deal. And by my favorite bedsheet brand on Amazon, you can now snag this 5-piece comforter set that comes in various different color options. I love the fact that it comes with all of the items: comforters, sheets, pillowcase, and sham. Has over 6,300 star reviews over on Amazon. And if you're looking to kind of switch things up for the upcoming season, now would be a great time to snag these. And as I mentioned, this is my favorite bedding brand on Amazon. Alrighty friends, that is going to conclude today's video. Make sure to hit that subscribe button to see the top early lead up Labor Day deals happening tomorrow, and I'll see you all. Bye.